Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, if you haven't watched the video called why I haven't been posting, go ahead and watch that video, then come back to this one. So guys, I bought a 6 feet long table. This is where I'm going to organize all my art products and my packages. Okay, I know the mess looked larger than last time. I was still purchasing. Never mind that. I removed the smaller table that I had and set up a long table. In order to do that, I had to remove all my packages, set up the table and put back my packages because I was not prepared to organize everything that night. I kind of use these cloths to just cover the mess because I can't bear seeing it. As you can see guys, I removed everything. I'm gonna do a bit of cleaning and then set up and organize properly. Everything is in here. This is how my setup used to look. From the ceiling straight down. My laptop, my DIY table, my DIY plant. This here, behind this is actually a door. It leads to my kids' room. It can still open. What I did was to just make a rose to hide the knob to go inside. So that is just the knob. This is just a sugar board or chipboard. Right here is wallpaper, adhesive wallpaper. Here I created my little artwork fly from sugar board or chipboard. Adhesive wallpaper here. And right next to it is the window. This is how I keep my art supplies covered from my son. Move that. So here are my art supplies of my little setup there. So it's easier to reach my art supplies so I can quickly get those paintings done or my drawings done. So guys, please stay tuned to watch the transformation of my new art space, and I will see you in the next one. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.